Hey guys, Annie Stacey here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share amazing recipes that can help you grow healthy, strong and thick hair. So as you can see from my before and after shots, my hair has improved enormously and it's thanks to these recipes. So yeah, if you want to grow out your hair, even if you have the most stubborn hair, this particular recipe today will help you. So in today's video we're going to be using cloves. So we're going to be using some clove buds. I just measured a tablespoon, and I'm also going to be using fenugreek. So both of these seeds are amazing. These are amazing ingredients when it comes to hair growth, hair care and overall healthy hair. So yeah, to begin making the treatment, we're going to first of all go ahead and bring out our jar. So we're going to be pouring all of these into a glass jar. Fenugreek seeds are rich in iron and protein, which are essential for hair growth. They also contain flavonoids and saponins that contain anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, which are helpful in treating conditions associated with dry and irritated skin such as dandruff. Cloves have amazing health benefits with healthy hair included. So cloves helps to minimize hair loss and also helps you grow thick and shiny hair. They also have antifungal properties which help to fight scalp infections like dandruff. Moving on, I'm going to pour in some piping hot water into the jar and just stir that up. And then we're going to let this sit for about 6 to 12 hours. And then now it's ready to be used. And as you can see, the color of the water has changed completely. This means that the herbs or the seeds have completely infused, and it's time for us to strain that out. So I'm going to use the strainer and just strain out the infused water. You can always preserve these soak seeds in the freezer to be used further, or you can just blend them up and turn them into a mass and apply it on your hair instead of just throwing them away. So yeah, this is how the tea looks, and I'm going to go ahead and add some peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil helps to stimulate hair growth as it causes a tingling sensation on the scalp and increases blood flow. Next, I'm going to add in some lavender. Lavender is also very effective for hair growth. It helps to stimulate hair growth, increase thickness of the hair. And next, I'm going to add rosemary essential oil that is known to thicken our hair. It is very important for hair growth as it stimulates new hair growth. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead now and transfer the tea into my applicator bottle or my spray bottle so that I can proceed to applying that to my scalp. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to take this moment to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So moving on, this tea is very vital for hair growth. Even if you have the most stubborn hair, this is going to help your hair to grow. It's going to stimulate hair growth. You don't have to add essential oils if you don't have them, as this will work effectively on its own. Moving on, I'm going to show you guys how I apply this tea on my hair, all the steps involved. And yeah, as always, to begin, I'm going to focus on my scalp. Just going to apply that on my scalp because we know our hair grows from the scalp. So I want to make sure that I apply this on my scalp so that my scalp can easily absorb all the nutrients and enjoy all the benefits of these ingredients. So that's why I focus on my scalp first before I move to the length of my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray that, as you can see, and just work it in. Make sure that my hair is really saturated with the tea, and I'm just going to smooth that out until every strand is covered. Fenugreek and cloves are magical herbs that can help you achieve healthy, strong and lustrous hair. So you don't want to play with these ingredients. if I were you, I'll just go ahead and make this tea and begin applying it to my hair. So I always apply this tea like every other day or every day, depending on how my hair is. So yeah, but I apply this at least 3 times a week and just massage that in. So I moved ahead and I applied oil to my hair. So whenever I apply my tea, I'm always going to seal with an oil. You don't just want to apply the tea to your hair without sealing with an oil, because you want to avoid all the dryness, because some people complain that when they just spritz water on their hair it causes dryness. It's because I think you're skipping this part. You want to seal in your hair with an oil after spritzing your hair with the tea. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and yeah, I'm going to do that all over my hair just like I did in the first step. You want to go ahead again and focus on the scalp. When that is done, I'm going to move to the length of my hair and just walk that through, because you want your hair strands to be strong as well, and you want your hair to grow long and thick. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And don't forget to massage your scalp, as scalp massages are very important. They help with blood circulation, which stimulates hair growth. So yeah, I'm still going ahead to apply my oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair. So while you're at this, if it's possible, you can detangle your hair. My hair is easily detangled, so I can easily detangle my hair with this. So I just go ahead and do that quickly, and yeah, we're good to go. I'm just going to twist that section up. So you might ask, like, how do you preserve this tea? If you have excess left, you can decide to freeze it and then take it out and let it defrost or dissolve when you're ready to use it. And you can keep this in the refrigerator for, let's say, 5 to 7 days, and after that maybe just make a new one. So my advice is don't make a lot of it. So guys, please subscribe to my channel again if you've made it this far and you're yet to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.